This is how to check external links to a page in Google Search Console. From your dashboard, select a property, then scroll down and you can see here links, and here you can see external links and you can find the pages here. So we'll just click more. So here you can see the pages with external links. So let's say this page, and here you can find the list of external links for this page. You can also export this, let's say CSV, and you can open this one. And these are the external links linking to the page. So this is how to check external links to a page in Google Search Console.